Introducing the K5 system from INNOVV. Designed and built for those who demand more. For those who live for the thrill of discovery and adventure. For those who are unwilling to compromise or turn back. It's packed with features that no simple action camera can offer. It is in our human nature to tell our story, to share sights and experiences with those who understand our passion. Imagine you could design a perfect camera system. What would it look like? How can you truly capture an experience? How far would you go to ensure your safety? Life is good, and now it's even better with INNOVV's remarkable new K5 camera system.